How to fix mobile hotspot not working in Poco X8 Pro. First of all, restart device, press and hold volume up and power button same time. Now here you will see two options, power off or reboot, and we want to restart device, then this icon swipe down. After swipe down this icon, restart device. Now go back. After that, turn on hotspot, open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on more connectivity options, scroll down, click on portable hotspot and turn on this button. After turning on this button, turn on hotspot from your phone. Now go back. After that, check internet. After check internet, software update, open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on search bar, search update software and click on update software and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix mobile hotspot not working in Poco X8 Pro. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.